Okay, got my new present today. It's actually been more than one present, but as you can see, it's the Ring Stickup Cam battery. And I thought I'd just give you a quick rundown on what you get with it. Basically, you get a box. Comes with everything you need to set up your cam on walls, tabletops, or ceilings. We have a use for it, which is to figure out why some of our dogs are pooping in a certain spot, because they don't ever do it when we're there, so we just want to find out. So we got one of these. As you can see, that's quite clever. I don't know what else we're going to use it for, but there you go. That's the side of it. This is in the UK, so that's what we get. I presume it's the same everywhere else because it's got different languages on it. There you go. French, I can see German and English. So anyway, so to unpack it, I'm just gonna put it down here like so. Just place it there. Take it off. Where's the box? Ooh. And voila, we have it. What do we have in there? Oh, say hello to Ring. There's a catalog magazine or whatever. Scan this code. Quick start guides. Some stickers. Warning stickers for if anybody wants to rob your house. Don't think this. I haven't seen this, but I don't think it's for outside, is it? You can hand from. Okay, this is just the. This is all the instruction stuff. Different languages of various legalities. There's your badges again. Anyway, let's put that away. What else do we have in there? Okay, let's have a look. Let's start with this. What is this? Oh, that's just a blanking cardboard. And this is the camera itself. There you are. Quite nice. It's actually quite modern. Got a plastic sort of film over it. So that's that. And then what do we have here? Installation tool, which is what? Oh, okay, it's the ring screwdriver. Oh, and a USB to, oh, it's a standard USB, not a USB-C, which is really weird why people are still using them. So, okay, a set of roll plugs and screws, very low quality. What's that? Oh, that's the battery cover. There's a battery cover in it. Okay, there's my screwdriver again. What else is in there? Oh, the battery. That's the battery in there. There you go. So I presume. Okay, so we have to put the battery in there. But there you go. So for this one, I'll just. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of what comes in it. Comes in the box. So let me just figure out how to do the battery. Let's have a looky. Where does the battery go? Quick start guide. What does the quick start guide say? Okay, quick start guide. What are you saying? Oh, don't tell me you have to unscrew everything. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Charge the battery. Oh, okay. So what you have to do is turn the handle this way, and then what? Oh, okay, there's a locking mechanism, so I have to take this off. I have to take this film off, otherwise I can't do it. that off, and then you unlock it, I presume. Yep, there you go, and that's where the battery goes in. So you have to sort of turn this like that. Okay, battery, where are you? Battery goes in this way, clicks in. Battery just clicks in there. Okay, and then this cover goes in. That sits there, and the camera's on. Yay! There you go. And that's pretty much the unveiling of my new Ring battery.
Stickup Cam is in setup mode.
Ooh,
Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Ooh, okay. I'll do that later. But anyway, that's my Ring. There you go. Everything. On that knob. Let's just put the Ring there. That's what it looks like. Oops, move that out of the way. Voila. Hope you liked the unveiling of my new Ring cam.